You might have heard about these three words: reduce, reuse, and recycle over and over again. And with best DIY old tire crafts, you can easily achieve all of these goals. Tires are very common in our homes, especially as we buy new ones as old ones wear off. Have you ever wondered what to do with these old and worn tires that you have been holding onto? Well, it is still easy to toss and forget about them altogether. The problem is that rubber takes over 50 years to decompose. This means that these items will be sitting in your compost for at least that long. So, the best options is to recycle your old tires and make some furniture and decorative pieces with them. That way, other than doing your part and minimizing trash to protect Mother Earth, you can significantly improve your indoor and outdoor spaces. Converting reusable waste like tires into functional items encourages creativity. This can help you save some extra cash that you would spend on buying some household items. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of recycled tire decorative pieces ideas for your home and garden decor. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post decor and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational daily decor and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Whether you have one or many old tires just lying in your garage, there is an idea for you to not only recycle them but also to give you a distinctive interior and exterior decor. These best DIY old tire crafts will prevent old tires from just sitting in the garage, accumulating dust, and making your yard look tattered and disorganized. You can turn these old, useless, and dirty tires into many things, ranging from furniture, flower pots and planters, items for kids playing, and decor items. Since rubber is soft and elastic, it is easy to work with and create some of the most beautiful and distinctive items. The next time you change your tires, ask to be given the old and then look at the best DIY old tire crafts to transform them into amazing ideas. One possible recycling area for old tires is to make furniture. One best example is a coffee table or ottoman made by wrapping ropes around the tire. The craft is easy, you only need one used tire and a rope. This is a superb addition to a room or an outdoor space that is comfy and unique. This rope ottoman is a great weekend project if you want something new. First, you require a piece of wood to form the top and go round the entire tire with a rope to cover. In the end, you will have a beautiful ottoman that is a great addition to your indoor decor, and you can also add it to your outdoor decor if you please. This DIY project is pretty straightforward with just a few tools. If you want some elevated height, you can stack two tires together and make a table out of the used tires. You can then put a ground glass piece on top and you are ready to go. This is a perfect outdoor table. Tires are incredibly easy to work with and also easy to find. If you want to boost your outdoor decor, consider repurposing your old tires into a funky upcycled tire table. Getting this unique table is easy and requires only a few tools. Clean the tires and then stack them before spraying some bright paint on them. Make sure the color of the paint matches your outdoor furniture, and watch your neighbors admire your creativity. Add a glass top to complete your project. This creative tire craft offers you quality and fun outdoor time with your kids. Another project for you to consider is a DIY dog bed from recycled tire. Use an old tire to build comfortable and affordable dog bed for your pet puppy at home. Fortunately, this project is super easy and requires little time and a few craft supplies. It is amazingly durable for your furry friends, and you will be amused at how they are comfy and super cute. With this simple DIY craft, you will avoid wasting money on traditional style dog beds. All you need is an old tire, some paint in the color you prefer, and a comfy fabric cushion. Scrub the tire to clean it, decorate it with colorful paint, and then fit it in the fabric cushion. In the end, you have a comfy, cozy, adorable dog bed. You could also easily build a tire planter to be mounted on walls. Planters are superb ways to reuse old tires. This is among the best DIY old tire crafts with incredible ideas to take advantage of. The hanging tire planter is the most straightforward project that requires little time. This weekend project adds fun to your garden in just a few steps. The project is as simple as scrubbing the tires, painting them with your favorite color, and then drilling holes at the bottom for water drainage. Plant whatever flowers you want at the bottom, then mount them on a wall to display the lovely floral arrangements. Depending on the size of the tire, you can plant different types of flowers for a more appealing look. This is a cool way to add fun and color to your summer garden. Well viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked collection of recycled tire decorative pieces ideas for your home and garden decor. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.